Now we are going to talk about setting project browser organization, which is so important to your project. But at first, what is the project browser? You can see it here near the properties project browser. This thing is the project browser. Project browser is so important for your project. It's like a table of content of your project. So you should arrange the project browser according to your project or to your organization. But how you arrange it? You can see here views discipline. Right click on it, then click on browser organization. This window will appear and you can see it's check on discipline. We click on edit, then you will find here grouping and sorting. Click on it, then you can find here the arrange of project browser. So it's like discipline, subdiscipline, family, and type. If you go to the project browser on the left, you can see here the discipline is the mechanical, subdiscipline HVAC, and families and type it's like a floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D, elevation, etc. Maybe you want to change it according to your organization. So if we change this and put here family and type, then we change subdiscipline to discipline. Then let's see here if we choose subdiscipline, then click on OK, apply, and click on OK. You can notice here the arrange is changed. Floor plans, mechanical, then HVAC. Okay. If you want to create your own project browser, so let's say you want to create your own browser. Open the project browser, right click on views discipline, then click on browser organization, then you want to click on new. Let's type hotel, MEP. Click on OK, and this window will appear. Go to grouping and sorting, and now choose what you want to arrange at first to the end. Families and type, discipline, let's say, and make sure all characters selected, then click on OK, check on the hotel MEP which you created before, apply, and OK, and the window here project browser will change according to your arrange.